Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a topic that a lot of you have been asking about, and that's on a lot of people's minds. How to know if she wants you to move. We all know dating can be a little tricky, and sometimes the signs can be subtle. But fear not, because in this video, we'll share 10 subtle signs that can help navigate this difficult terrain and can take your relationship to the next level. So, if you are prepared, you can get the best. Number 1, extended eye contact. The most eye contact is when she holds your eyes for long periods of time while you are communicating with him. Instead of just making eye contact from time to time, she maintains eye contact even when the conversation pauses, lingering in the relationship. This prolonged eye contact is often accompanied by a soft, warm, and inviting feel. She seems to be trying to communicate something beyond words and shows a desire for a deeper connection or connection. Her eyes can convey emotions, attraction, and the feeling of being fully present with you in the moment. It is a strong signal that he is comfortable with your presence and hopes to move for you, like initiating a romantic gesture or improving the relationship. It's a powerful way to say, "I'm interested and I want to see where this goes." Always respect the boundaries though, and make sure any moves are consensual and welcome. Number 2, frequent smiles and laughter. If she really likes you and wants you to move, her face will most likely show a lot of smiles and laughter during your date. You will find that she enjoys your presence and often responds positively to your comments and jokes. Even if your joke isn't particularly funny, she may smile or laugh, which is a clear sign that she's trying to create a pleasant atmosphere and connect with you. A constant smile can be the trigger to move. Whether it's to say goodbye, to hold her hand, go for a kiss, or, depending on the context and where you are in the relationship. So, it's the way of saying, "I'm having a great time with you, and I'm open to taking our interaction to the next level." However, it's important to pay close attention to her comfort level and read her other signals. And verbal communications to ensure your progress is what is accepted and approved. Number 3, physical touch. Physical touch is a powerful, non-verbal signal that can indicate a person's interest in taking the relationship to a more intimate level. Here's an explanation of what physical touch means if someone wants you to move. If she wants you to move and take your relationship to a more intimate place, you may find that he initiates physical contact with others the communication. She may go slowly by gently extending his fingers on your arm or shoulder during a conversation to emphasize a point or just be physical with you. Or he may nudge you in a friendly way or play little games like a game kick. These activities are not only fun, but also provide physical intimacy. When she touches you, she can maintain eye contact with you, which deepens the act and signals her desire for intimacy. However, it is important to pay close attention to her reactions and verbal communication to ensure that your physical advances are acceptable and approved. Respect her boundaries and communicate openly to create a comfortable and enjoyable experience for both of you. Number 4, playful teasing. Playful teasing is communication that can indicate an interest in taking the relationship to a more intimate level. Here's an explanation of what playful teasing means. If someone wants to make you move when they want you to and is interested in deepening your relationship, you may find that they engage in playful teasing in your interactions. Playful teasing is light, wholesome humor or humor, usually with a touch of romance and camaraderie. It makes her feel closer to his comfort and is a way to test the waters for a deeper connection. Her teasing carries a subtle tone, showing how much she likes and admires you. Combined with shared laughter, it often creates a sense of happiness and connection between the two of you. She may use sarcasm as a vehicle for compliments or positive feedback. For example, she may make fun of you for always making you smile or for being a good listener. As always, it's important to focus on her comfort level and communicate clearly about your intentions to ensure a positive and agreeable experience for both of you. Number 5. Engages in personal conversations. When a person talks to herself, it can be a sign that she wants to take the relationship to an intimate level and is interested in deepening his relationship with you. Which means when she engages in personal conversation inside is described here as a sign that she wants to move and take your relationship to an intimate level, and then you will find that he is willing to go further on her own terms. Time you are having a conversation. These conversations can go beyond, including information about her life, experiences, feelings, and aspirations. This willingness to share in a deeper way indicates that she is interested in building a close relationship with you. She may share personal stories and stories from her life, giving you insight into her experiences, challenges, and accomplishments. Besides talking about herself, she is genuinely interested in your life. She'll ask you for information about your past, interests, and goals. She may express his hopes and dreams for the future and ask you about your own wishes and how you think about your future. Number 6. Mirroring your movements. Mirroring your movements is a nonverbal sign that often suggests a person's interest in taking a relationship to a more intimate level. Here's a description of what mirroring your movements means in the context of someone wanting you to make a move. When she wants you to make a move and is interested in deepening your connection, you may notice that she subconsciously mimics or mirrors your physical gestures and body language. This mirroring can be a sign of a strong connection and a desire for alignment with you on a deeper level. She might unconsciously replicate your movements, such as crossing her arms when you do, taking a sip of her drink when you do, or mirroring your posture. She may synchronize her walking pace with yours when you're walking together, which is a physical way of saying, "I want to be in step with you." She could mirror your facial expressions, like smiling when you smile or showing concern when you express worry. As always, it's important to be attentive to her comfort level and to communicate openly about your intentions to ensure that any advances you make are welcome and consensual. Number 7. Initiates contact or plan. When someone initiates contact or plans, it's a clear sign that they want to take the relationship to a more intimate level and are interested in spending more time with you. Here's a description of what it means when she initiates contact or plans as a sign that she wants you to make a move. When she wants you to make a move and is interested in deepening your relationship, she takes the proactive step of initiating contact or making plans to spend time together. This action signifies her desire to be closer to you and her willingness to take an active role in the relationship's progression. She may be the one to send the first text, call, or message, indicating her interest in maintaining communication. She takes the initiative to suggest activities, outings, or events that you both can participate in together. She expresses a desire to see you again in the near future, showing her eagerness to spend more time with you. As always, it's important to be respectful of her boundaries and Communicate openly about your intentions to ensure that any moves you make are welcome and consensual. Number 8. Compliments you. When someone offers compliments, it's often a sign that they are interested in deepening the relationship and may want you to make a move. Compliments can be a way to express admiration and attraction. Here's a description of what it means when she offers compliments as a sign that she wants you to make a move. When she wants you to make a move and take your relationship to a more intimate level, you'll notice that she frequently offers you compliments. These compliments can be directed at various aspects of your personality, appearance, or actions, and they are a way for her to express her admiration and interest in you. Her compliments are genuine and heartfelt, conveying her true feelings of appreciation for you. She may compliment your looks, style, or the way you present yourself, highlighting your attractiveness. She might praise your personality traits, such as your sense of humor, kindness, intelligence, or other qualities she finds appealing. She could compliment your achievements, efforts, or the things you've done that have impressed her. Compliments are a way for her to give you positive attention and to make you feel good about yourself. Number 9. Asks about your relationship status. When someone asks about your relationship status, it can be a sign that they are interested in pursuing a more intimate or romantic connection with you. Here's a description of what it means when she asks about your relationship status as a sign that she wants you to make a move. When she wants you to make a move and take your relationship to a more intimate level, she may initiate conversations about your relationship status or inquire about your romantic history. This shows her curiosity about your availability and potential interest in exploring a deeper connection with you. She might ask straightforward questions about whether you're currently in a relationship or if you're dating someone. She may inquire about your past relationships or your dating experiences to gain a better understanding of your current status. These questions can be posed in a relaxed and non-invasive manner, often during general conversations about your lives. In some cases, she might also share her own relationship status or dating experiences, hinting at her availability and openness to further romantic exploration. Always be respectful of her boundaries and communicate openly about your intentions to ensure that any advances you make are welcome and consensual. Number 10. Extended goodbyes. Extended goodbyes can be a clear sign that someone is interested in you and wants to take your relationship to a more intimate level. Here's a description of what extended goodbyes mean in the context of her wanting you to make a move. When she wants you to make a move and deepen your connection, you may notice that goodbyes become prolonged and filled with meaningful moments. These extended farewells suggest that she doesn't want the interaction to end, and she's looking for an opportunity to create a more intimate and lasting connection. She may show hesitation when it's time to say goodbye, often accompanied by lingering or trying to extend the time you spend together. During goodbyes, she might seek moments of privacy or intimacy, like a quiet conversation away from others. She may engage in physical contact during the goodbye, such as hugging, holding hands, or even going in for a kiss. Always be respectful of her boundaries and communicate openly about your intentions to ensure that any moves you make are welcome and consensual. So, there you have it, 10 subtle signs that he wants you to move. Keep in mind that everyone is different, and these signs don't apply to every situation. It's important to pay attention, respect, and focus on her comfort level. Communication is key. If you're not sure, Consider having an open and honest conversation about your feelings and intentions. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great reviews. See you next time.